Making special requests, a guide to accessibility in restaurant reservations. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an important aspect of conversational English: making requests and offers. Specifically, we'll be focusing on how to inquire about accessibility and accommodations for disabilities when making a restaurant reservation. This is a crucial skill to have, as it ensures that everyone, regardless of their individual needs, can enjoy a wonderful dining experience. Before we delve into how to make such requests, it's crucial to understand what accessibility and accommodation mean. Accessibility refers to how easy it is for all people, including those with disabilities, to use services or facilities. Accommodation, on the other hand, refers to adjustments or modifications made to ensure someone can fully participate or benefit from a service. In the context of a restaurant, this could involve asking about wheelchair accessibility, dietary needs, braille menus, or even noise levels for those with sensory sensitivity. When it comes to asking about accessibility and accommodations, politeness and clarity are key. You should ensure you're being respectful of the person you're speaking to, and your questions should be clear enough that they can provide accurate information. Here are a few phrases you might use. Could you please tell me about your wheelchair accessibility? I was wondering if you offer services for the visually impaired, like braille menus? Do you have any accommodations for people with food allergies? Can you please tell me about the noise level in the restaurant? We have someone who is quite sensitive to loud sounds. Remember, these are just examples. Your question may vary based on the specific needs you're addressing. Once you've obtained the necessary information, it's time to make your request or express your needs. Here are some example phrases. We would require a table that's wheelchair accessible. Could you arrange that for us? One of us is allergic to nuts. Could the chef ensure there are no nuts in our dishes? Could you ensure that our seating is in a quieter section of the restaurant? These phrases help express your needs in a polite yet firm manner, ensuring that the person on the other side understands the importance of your request. That's it for today. I hope this video has been helpful in providing guidance on how to inquire about and request accessibility and accommodations at a restaurant. Remember, the aim is to ensure everyone can enjoy a comfortable and enjoyable dining experience, so never hesitate to ask these important questions. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!